Alright guys, so in the last video I showed you guys how to create this design using my template. However, there is a step that I want to make sure that we do, because when I got to the part where I was cutting out the design, I realized I hadn't cut through the template, and the reason it didn't cut through the template is because I didn't have enough pressure. So I'm going to again choose mirror, and then I'm going to hit continue. And then I'm going to go through the same process, like making sure it's infusible ink. If you're new and this is the first video you're watching, you're going to choose Browse All Material, go down to Iron On, which is this minty greenish area, and then you're going to choose infusible ink right here, infusible ink transfer sheet. I already have mine selected, so I'm just going to hit infusible ink. And what I need to do at this point is I need to add some pressure to it. Right now it's set to default. Default just cuts through to the paper, but since I also have that template, which is that the little template for you to follow, you're going to also want pressure because you want it to cut through. So we're going to choose more right here, and this way we can make sure that it cuts through. And remember, in the last video I talked about how you could also have it cut through twice. You could do that as well. But what I'm going to do is when I get to that point, I'm going to fill underneath just to make sure that it cut through the template. Before I was filling the top. You guys saw me in the video, just filling the top, making sure it cut. But I forgot I also needed to fill underneath to make sure it cut through that template. So lesson learned, these are things that happen. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm already set up to go ahead and do that. So you'll follow the rest of the other video for everything else. I just want to make sure that I had that I showed you this. All right, so that is how you apply more pressure to your cut, especially if you're dealing with a template that's going to cut first, and then the other items are going to cut on top of that. All right, sweet. I will see you guys in the next video.